Hi everybody, this is Tia from My Jellyfish Creations, and I wanted to quickly share with you all two Tussie Mussies that I made. If you recall, I received a Tussie Mussie in a swap that I did on Little Scrap of Heaven, and I thought it was so cool and I wanted to try it myself, so I created two for Valentine's Day. The first one is this one. And I use the GCD Cloisonne collection paper, which I had gotten a couple years ago from Big Lots. And these two Tussie Mussies actually use the same piece of paper, just two different sides. So this is the first one, which is a little kind of shabby chicy. I use this one flower that I've been dying to use, and it really was too big. It kind of it sits out too far, but I never scrap a project. I always just keep going. I learn from it. But I have a lot of people that appreciate, the work that goes into it. So I'm still able to share. I love it. It's not perfect, but I love it for a first try. I use a Tim Holtz ticket. I distressed it a little with some tea dye and I crumpled it up. Used a little heart bling and some recollections bling that I cut up. Some lace that I had that I recently bought in my stash. And then some teardrop trim that I actually got in a swap last year I did on Little Scrap of Heaven, and I pretty much received it and packed it up because I was moving. So as I was kind of going through everything, I came across that and just some random flowers that I had. Like I said, this was just kind of a first try, and I actually realized that I don't have a lot of flowers and that I need to get some different sizes so that my things will be a little bit more uniform looking. And then I just made this little loopy bow for the top. I kind of wanted some type of pretty little embellishment or hanger for the top when it was hanging. So I just made a little loopy bow for the top. So that's my first one. And for those of you who had to correspond with me recently, you knew I was having like major phone problems. Well, I got a new phone and I'm actually uploading from that new phone. So really excited about that. And then the second one I did is actually the reverse side of that paper. And this one I knew I wanted it to be like really Valentine-y because when you see, the paper already had like these pink hearts and a little glitter in the heart, and it was just like a real Valentine type paper. So I said, oh, you know what, I'll make this one just super Valentine. Went straight with the red and white, lots of red, lots of white. Stickled some of the roses. The red is I am roses. The red and the white are I am roses, and the rest of them are recollections, and some pearls from my stash, some celebrated, like this little box of flowers, had to be like 350 in that little box. And then I cut some craft. I punched out a craft butterfly, and then the Martha Stewart butterfly, and just ran it through the Tuttlebug with the Divine Swirls and stickled that up a little bit just to give it some other type of color, just to kind of step away from the red and white. But even though they're not perfect and they both have their flaws, and I still love them. I always love my projects when I'm done. I just love to create, and I love the fact that I have so many people like my mom and my sister that I can share them with, and they love them and they love the stories behind them. So it was a lot of fun, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. Again, just to keep, trying to keep active, learning as I go. For those of you who've watched my videos and who've commented, I just wanted to say thank you. And I'm actually still learning, like how to reply. And sometimes I can find the comments and reply back, and sometimes I can't. But if you subscribe, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I thought that was so awesome. And I'll be back with a couple more projects or some other things that I want to work on. I'm working on another box for my sister. And I didn't finish off the insides. I'm going to figure out what I want to do, if I want to paint it or just stuff it with some paper. Not quite sure, since like I said, these are my first. And Still kind of working out the kinks, but there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed and beautiful day. Goodbye.